Living paycheck to paycheck is an extremely stressful way to manage your finances. With no savings to act as a buffer, any unexpected expense that pops up can mean falling behind on bills or going into debt. And if your income is disrupted due to a job loss or reduced hours, you have no backup funds to get by. Breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle may seem daunting, but it is possible with some planning and discipline. Implementing a few key money management strategies can free up funds that allow you to finally start saving and building an emergency fund. Step 1 is getting clarity on where your money is going each month. Download a budgeting app or an Excel template and track every dollar you spend for 1 month, from big expenses like rent to small daily purchases like coffee. This spending awareness is so important. You can't reduce wasteful spending if you don't know what you're wasting money on. Once you complete your spending analysis, identify areas where you can realistically cut back on discretionary expenses. This might include dining out less, limiting impulse shopping trips, downgrading cable TV packages, canceling unused subscriptions. Small lifestyle tweaks add up, allowing you to painlessly free up chunks of money. Earning more income can also accelerate your ability to save. Ask for a pay raise if you've been doing excellent work. Take on a side gig or freelance work in your spare time. If you have items around the house you no longer use, sell them online. Every extra dollar coming in is one step closer to escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. As the savings start accumulating, make building an emergency fund your first priority. Aim to save $500 to $1,000 in a dedicated high-yield savings account. This gives you a cushion to cover unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs without resorting to credit cards or payday loans. If you have high-interest credit card balances, focus on paying those down more aggressively before other debts to reduce the amount of interest you pay each month. Every dollar not going to interest is one you can save instead. A very important financial habit is paying yourself first. Each pay period, automate a deposit from your checking account into your emergency savings account. Even if it's $25 or $50 to start. As you get raises, increase the auto deposit amount. Making coffee at home versus buying it, packing lunches rather than eating out, spending weekends on low-cost activities. Small habits done consistently add up. The key is not to deprive yourself completely. Build in a budget for fun so it's sustainable long-term. Living paycheck to paycheck keeps you trapped in an endless financial loop. But with some focus and discipline, you can disrupt the cycle, gain stability, and find freedom. It comes down to mastering your expenses and maximizing your income potential. Imagine how much less stress you'll feel when you have a healthy savings account as a backup. The peace of mind of financial security is truly invaluable. You have the power to stop living on the financial edge and take control of your money. The steps to breaking free of paycheck to paycheck living are clear. Now put them into action.